All right, ready? It's the Monster here, coming at you with a little review video. I'm sitting on an e-bike. This is from Vitilan ebike.com. They sell these on Amazon as well. And they went ahead and sent me one, so I'm gonna unbox it, check it out, and let you know what my thoughts are. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one.
Let's unbox this. Bruh, this is gonna be a mess. So it's looking like a folding bike, fat tire, hub motor. Looking really nice so far. It looks like a really great commuter. So once all the packaging's removed, this is what is in the box. You've got the bike folded up, and then we've got two boxes here. I'm assuming the pedals and some other peripheral attachments are in there. But this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna unfold it, or I don't even know the right word, defold it, and see how it looks when it's all put together. It's basically already assembled, which is nice. I was expecting to have to put it all together, but because it's a folding bike, I don't need to. That's pretty sick. We got the fat tire, we got the cargo rack, nice robust locking mechanism. Now the task is to put the handlebars on. Oh shit. Shit. I like that. Hey, that's pretty sick. It's pretty tall. Handlebars are pretty tall. The seat up. So usually when you're doing a seat like this, you want to put it like right where your hip is. So for me, it's like right there. Seat's nice and squishy. We'll give it the butt test in a minute. First of all, very easily assembly. It's already put together. You just have to put the handlebars on. I'm gonna go plug it in, because usually when you get an e-bike, the first thing you do is plug it in. You don't want to ride it on an empty battery. That kind of messes it up out of the factory. Now, where does this plug in is the question. Where even is the battery? It's so sleek. That's right here. It's plugged in inside. We got a nice little red indicator light here. I gotta say, this is a very sleek e-bike charger. This is probably the nicest looking charger I've seen on an e-bike. And while that's charging up, we're gonna get this baby set up with the final little accessories like the pedals and all that. Nice little owner's manual right there. The pedals. Ooh, a little toolbox, little toolkit. That's very nice. Look at that. Every bike should come with this. Every bike should come with the tools you need for it. Most don't, so that's a nice touch. These are straight up they just screw right in. Couldn't be easier. Nice. So that was an incredibly easy setup process. It basically comes fully assembled. You just have to screw the pegs in, and they include the tools for you. Put the handlebars on. Easy. It's looking like it has cable brakes. Cable brakes, you know, high-end bikes, they come with hydraulics, but this is really just a commuter bike, so you don't need the highest performance brakes. At least they're disc brakes. And this is looking like the battery here, very sleek, foldable. Got the cargo rack, got the fenders, got Lights. Ooh, this is always my favorite part. Ready? Oh yeah. Ooh, also here, there's another one. I'm a lucky guy today. Boom. Comes with keys too. I'm gonna cut these off. You get one key and a spare. Very nice. So I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit before we take it out for a rip, but I just wanna see the display turn on. Looks like you can, oh, that's nice. You can angle it wherever you want. These are your gears. Oh, there's another one, ready? Oh, yeah. So, where do you think we put the key? All right. I'm not quite sure where the key goes. Like, there's a key thing down here, but there's no way that's how you turn it on. Twist the battery lock counterclockwise to the end to turn on the battery. Twist the battery lock counterclockwise. Okay, so you got your mile per hour here, you got your battery indicator, gear, and trip mileage. Very sleek display. It's hard to see on the camera, but we're in bright daylight and I can see it fine with my eyes. That's all that matters. So these are your gear changers. It goes up to 5. Very clicky and nice. Bell, actual gears, twist throttle. Cool, so it's actually saying it's fully charged, so I'm not gonna keep charging. I feel like we can just go rip it, and I'll let you know how it feels. First, I'm gonna read off some of the specs really quick. We are looking at 20-inch tires, 7-speed. It can climb 30-degree grades, carry up to 150 kilos. Max speed is 50 kilometers an hour, so that's like 30 miles per hour. So this is a class 3 e-bike in the US. It's a 750 watt rear motor with a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery. And they estimate the battery life to be about 500 complete charges, which is pretty standard. And as far as range, if you're using the pedals, they're estimating 80 to 100 kilometers. And with just the throttle, it's about 60 to 80 kilometers at 20 kilometers an hour. So, pretty good specs there. That's pretty standard for class 3 e-bikes. This is not a Sur-Ron, this is a commuter bike. This is street legal. Yeah, that's the Vitilan V3. Okay, so it's fully assembled, fully charged. I'm gonna go take it up on this strip right here. There's a slight incline, so we'll get a little idea of its hill climbing ability. And then I'm just gonna take it around the neighborhood and give you my thoughts. Right off the bat though, check this out. Look at the rear wheel. Oh, that's in gear 1, ready? Turn up to gear 5. It's pretty fast. Yeah, alright. Let's check it out. Hey. So I'm on pedal assist. So I'm pedaling and it is assisting me pretty well actually. I'm gonna put the seat up a little bit higher. I didn't listen to my advice at the beginning to put it up to my hip. It's got some kick to it. Yeah, let's go. The brakes work. I'm gonna go flex on this pack of girls real quick. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just on the throttle. This is the highest gear. It's uphill, so it's definitely struggling a little bit, but I'm not pedaling. Going 14 miles an hour, 15. Feeling good. Give it some pedal action. I'm only in 3rd gear on the pedal, so look at that. So it changes your indicator right there. This is a great, I mean, look, like, it's not a Sur-Ron, right? This is a commuter bike. This is something you go around in the city on. It's street legal, but it's about as fast as you can go street legal. So the brakes, because they're cable brakes, they're not as robust. The lever goes to your fingers, so you can't really, kind of have to do that. So there's ways to tighten the cables. I'll probably do that later. Just gonna cruise around. Let's see it. A lot of people out today. It's a beautiful Sunday. Man, I don't even need a pedal. Full throttle right now, going downhill. 30 miles an hour, 32, 33. Fuck a stop sign. Alright, 33. It's pretty good. I'm cruising right now. This is a full cruise. Turns pretty well. It's got these nice pads for your palms to rest on. I like that. It's also got a front and rear light, which is a very nice touch. Not many bikes come with those. And actually, the light turns on and off when you hit the brake, which is cool. The headlight you control right here, and it also makes the display brighter, which is cool. Look, the gears are great. Like, this gear change is really clean. You barely have to pedal to go uphill. Yeah, so I'm not too impressed with the braking power, although that's something that's pretty easy and straightforward to improve. What I am happy with is the pedal assist. It feels good. The throttle feels good. The gears feel good. Oh man, I'm taking up the whole thing right now. Alright, so that's our little unboxing and test ride video. Some key features of this bike that I'm pretty stoked on. I think this cargo rack is actually super useful. It's strong enough for me to just sit on it full weight. If I really wanted to, I could probably ride on it. And I feel like if you're doing DoorDash or delivery or just getting your own groceries, having a sturdy rack like this is actually surprisingly useful. Some other features, it's got the full fenders, so you can ride it in the rain and not get your butt wet. The folding is obviously super nice. You can throw it in your car, you can put it in a closet. The gears are really smooth. A lot of bikes have trouble with the gear shifting. This one I had no problems with. The suspension actually works. Check this out. And you feel it when you're riding. It's pretty cushy. These are 4-inch fat tires, so very easy to ride. And they eat up little bumps and cracks like they're nothing. The display is super clean, really. I like the display. The bell doesn't hurt. Got the gear shifters right there. It's got the headlight. Check out the brake light. It reacts to the lever, which is a nice touch. And yeah, I mean, look, this bike's gonna get you A to B. Is it gonna be as torquey and powerful as a Sur-Ron? No, but it is street legal. It's a class 3 e-bike. I was going 32 miles an hour, so that might even be a little bit over the class 3 regulation. And yeah, I would totally commute on this. Those are my thoughts on the Vitilan e-bike. Massive shout out to Vitilan for sending this bike my way. This is the Vitilan V3. There will be an Amazon link in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned.